Welcome to FlagLore. Today we explore the epic evolution of the Japanese flag, from ancient empires to modern times. Our story begins around 670 AD, when Emperor Tenmu establishes the Chrysanthemum as the imperial symbol. Shortly after, the iconic Hinomaru, the sun disk, first appears at state ceremonies around 701 AD. Nara becomes Japan's first permanent capital, before the Heian period ushers in a flourishing imperial court in Kyoto. In 1180, the devastating Genpei War erupts. The Taira clan fights under red banners while the Minamoto clan champions white. Minamoto Yoritomo's ultimate victory ends 4 centuries of court rule, making the legendary white banner with a red sun the symbol of Japan's first shogunate in Kamakura. Throughout the Kamakura and Muromachi shogunates, the samurai class rises to absolute power. Instead of a single national flag, each samurai clan flies its own unique mon, or family crest, on their banners, during an era where Zen Buddhism, tea ceremonies, and no theater deeply influenced Japanese culture. Welcome to the Sengoku period, a brutal century of civil war. Rival warlords clash under highly distinctive battle banners. Oda Nobunaga begins unifying the nation under his black flag in 1568, a monumental task finally completed by Toyotomi Hideyoshi. In 1603, Tokugawa Ieyasu founds the Edo Shogunate, bringing 250 years of strict isolation and peace. The Hinomaru is officially adopted as a merchant and naval flag at sea in 1854, right after American Commodore Perry forces Japan to finally open its borders to the world. The 1868 Meiji Restoration changes everything as the emperor reclaims power from the shogunate. The Hinomaru is officially adopted for ships in 1870. Japan rapidly industrializes, adopts Western technology, and establishes a modern army and navy, transforming into a formidable modern state. During the Meiji expansion, Japan's power explodes. After annexing Taiwan, Japan shocks the world by defeating Russia in 1905, the first Asian nation to crush a European great power, before annexing Korea in 1910. Following the brief liberal era of Taisho democracy and capturing German colonies in World War I, dark clouds gather. Emperor Hirohito is enthroned in 1926, and militarist factions seize power. Japan invades Manchuria in 1931 and defiantly withdraws from the League of Nations. As Japan invades China and attacks Pearl Harbor, the empire expands to a massive 7.4 million square kilometers by 1942. The national Hinomaru flies alongside the imperial war flag, but the devastating atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki forced Japan's unconditional surrender in August 1945. Under General MacArthur's Allied occupation, the display of the Hinomaru is heavily restricted before being restored. A defeated Japan rises from the ashes, holding war crime trials in Tokyo, and enacts a brand new pacifist constitution in 1947, permanently banning war. Japan regains its sovereignty in 1952, sparking an unprecedented economic miracle. Surprisingly, the Hinomaru wasn't officially recognized by law until 1999. From the 1964 Tokyo Olympics to today, the flag proudly flies on the global stage, representing a peaceful and modern Japan. That's the history of the Japanese flag. Which country should we cover next? Don't forget to like and subscribe.